Are you a book lover who's always on the go? Do you find it hard to keep up with your reading list? Our channel specializes in providing book summaries that are perfect for people who want to stay informed and educated, but don't have the time to read full-length books. Our team of expert writers carefully condenses the most important information from each book, giving you all the key insights in a fraction of the time. Our summaries are also available in audio format, so you can listen to them while you're on the go. Perfect for commutes, workouts, or just relaxing at home, and with our easy-to-navigate website, you can quickly find summaries for the books that interest you most. We cover a wide range of genres, from business and self-help to fiction and biographies. And with new summaries added every week, there's always something new to discover, so, whether you're looking to expand your knowledge or just want to stay up to date with the latest trends, our channel has everything you need. Subscribe to our channel today and start enjoying the benefits of our book summaries.